If you want to sign in to your Gmail account with your phone instead of typing a password, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. This is one of the easiest ways to make your Google account more secure and much faster to access, especially if you use your phone every day. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn on the right security features, how to get the sign-in prompt on your phone, and how to approve access without entering your password manually. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more videos like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Google account security settings. To do that, go to myaccount.google.com/security in your browser. This is the main security page for your Google account, and it's where you can manage sign-in options, verification methods, and account protection settings. Once the security page loads, look for the section called How You Sign Into Google. This is where Google keeps all the important login settings, including password options, two-step verification, passkeys, and phone-based sign-in features. To make phone sign-in work properly, the first thing you want to do is turn on two-step verification. Click two-step verification and follow the setup process. Google will ask you to confirm your identity and complete the setup using your phone. This step is important because it adds an extra layer of protection to your account and also helps enable faster sign-in methods later on. If you haven't already linked your phone to your Google account, make sure to follow the prompts carefully and finish the setup completely. After two-step verification is turned on, go back to the same security section and look for passkeys and security keys or Google prompt settings, depending on what Google shows for your account. This is where you can enable sign-in approval from your phone. If passkeys are available, you may be able to use your phone as a passwordless sign-in method. If Google Prompt is available, that's the feature that sends a sign-in notification to your mobile device when you try to log in. Enable the option that lets you approve sign-ins from your phone. In many cases, Google will automatically use your phone as a trusted device once two-step verification is active and your phone is connected to the same Google account. Just make sure your phone is signed into the correct Google account, notifications are turned on, and your device is reachable through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now let's test it on your computer. Open a new tab and go to mail.google.com. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page. Enter your Gmail address and click Next. At this point, instead of going straight to a password screen, Google may ask you for your password first, depending on your account setup. If that happens and you want to use your phone instead, look for the option that says Try Another Way. Click. Try another way and Google should offer a sign-in approval request through your phone. A notification will appear on your mobile device asking if it's you trying to sign in. Open the notification and tap Yes or Approve. Once you confirm on your phone, Google will log you in on your computer without needing you to type your password. This is especially useful if you forget your password, want a quicker login, or simply prefer a more secure and convenient sign-in method. It also reduces the need to repeatedly type passwords on public or shared computers as long as your phone is nearby and accessible. If you do not see the notification right away, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, signed into the right Google account, and that Google app notifications are turned on. You may also want to check that battery saver or focus mode is not blocking alerts. If needed, refresh the sign-in attempt on your computer and try again. And that's it. You now know how to sign into your Gmail account with your phone instead of a password. First, you enabled the right Google security settings, then you set up two-step verification, turned on phone-based approval, and finally used your phone to approve the sign-in on your computer. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, Gmail tips, and Google account guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.